You set?
Yes. Ready. Is there a link between gut health and anxiety? Studies say yes. And it makes sense. When we're feeling anxious, many of the symptoms we often feel are gut-related: muscle tension, stomach cramping, rapid breathing, which can lead to swallowing air and gas, and even diarrhea when we're especially unlucky. If we suffer from gastrointestinal distress or conditions like acid reflux, IBD, or IBS, our symptoms might in turn cause anxiety. How do we break out of the cycle? I'm Dr. Maria Luque, certified personal trainer, and I'm going to take you through a quick workout to help manage anxiety. Follow this simple routine, and in just 10 minutes, you should feel a little less stressed. But not so fast. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Digestive Health newsletter for more helpful tips to support your gut wellness journey. Here we go. So for warm-up, we would start with 30 seconds of arm circles, 15 seconds to the front, and then turn around in 15 seconds to the back. You can go as high as you want, depending on your mobility, or you can do mini circles. This is all about warming up your shoulders. We want to do leg swings both to the front and back and side to side. A few to the front, a few to the back. If your balance is an issue, you could hold on to a piece of furniture so that way you don't fall. But if you can, this will also warm up your balance. And then you would do the same, but side to side, warming up those joints. Inchworms. Come down right here into a nice high plank, and we would push back into that top, unroll the shoulders. Walking lunges with a torso twist. Now when we do this one, you want to take a nice long step forward to where both of your knees are about 90 degrees, right here. And then we're rotating to the side, that's the leg that's in front of you. We would push back and then go over to the other side and do the same exercise here. Nice, good rotation, and bring it back. You could also stand in this position and just go up and down. So if the lunges are still a little anxiety producing, which we are trying to avoid, you can stay right here and just rotate. That is your warm-up. Both high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, and resistance training are evidence-based modalities for reducing anxiety. So I suggest a hybrid of both. Here's an example of a quick 10-minute workout that you can do anywhere. First exercise is a jump squat. So we're going to jump out here, come down to here, jump back up, and jump back down and touch the opposing toe. In and out, boom, boom. So nice and fast for that high intensity part. If jumping is not your thing, you could always be in this and go down into a squat and reach over. Always remember to start where you're at and what feels comfortable. This is all about reducing anxiety, not increasing it. Second exercise is going to be your push-up. If you want to do a full push-up, get into that nice high plank position. Your arms are slightly shoulder width apart, and we would go low to about 90 degrees or whatever your level is. So if you get to here and that's where you're at today, that's where you're at today. We could also do an assisted push-up. So keep those knees down, nice and down, and bring it back up. Third exercise would be a reverse lunge to hold. You're going to step into that reverse lunge, remember about 90 degrees on both legs. Come up and stop completely at the top here. So nice and down and up, full stop. Do this on each side. Last exercise here, mountain climber. Come down into that high plank position. We're going to bring the knee in and then start running, almost like you're running in place. And if you're not quite ready for the mountain climbing, you can start by being in this high plank position for 1 minute. After you've completed each of these exercises for 1 minute, take a full minute off and repeat that for another round, and that takes you right to about 10 minutes of anti-anxiety exercise. After 10 minutes of doing that, I hope you feel a little less anxious and a little more relaxed. You should be proud of the fact that you're showing up for yourself and taking care of your health and well-being, one step at a time. I'm Dr. Maria. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.